What progress have we made?
None. Completely dead battery.
Yay! But it takes a standard 4 lbs, so I was able to pick that up at work for dirt cheap. It does have a kickstart that doesn't always like to start.
I'm gonna say we may or may not be able to get it. Clutch. Or choking.
Where's the clutch?
Clutch.
There is no clutch.
I know, I'm used to grabbing for one. Let's see if we can start it today. We might not be able to for a minute.
It's pretty cold out here too. That's not going to help.
Yeah.
You want me to try kickstarting it?
Sure.
I just wanted to get my hat.
That is an awesome hat.
That's the best hat. That suicide stand is going to be the end of me.
In all honesty, you're barely getting the headlight to come on. We're not getting enough rotation speed out of it. I think that it's just too cold right now.
Yeah, that's what we're doing when you were doing it too.
Yeah.
So this is what we did today. We cleaned the carburetor, cleaned the air filter, we changed the oil, both the engine oil and the gear oil, cleaned the spark plug, replaced the 4-turn signals, which don't work because we need a new relay, but and we took off the ugly things at the sides. And what else did we do? Oh, new battery.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, a new battery. So, and now it actually starts.
Next up, handlebars. Yeah. Well, that has to go the same on the handlebars.